Hey there, my friend, have you heard about the newest buzz in the tech world involving Microsoft Azure and its battle against cyber threats? It's a tale of strategy, defense, and resilience in the face of ever-evolving dangers. So, grab your steaming cup of coffee because I'm about to take you on a fascinating journey through the Microsoft Azure realm to examine threat vectors and data breaches. Now, let's roll back the clock to the past. Remember when cloud computing was the future, but security was often the afterthought? Boy, haven't we learned our lessons? Because now we have senior cloud architects like me leading the charge to create safe havens in Azure. First off, Azure, the backbone of modern businesses worldwide, hosts terabits of precious data. These digital treasures are under siege 24/7 by cybercriminals who are always trying to find the next exploit. But fear not. With an array of defense mechanisms, we've strengthened our fortress walls against intrusion. But before I dive deeper into this cybersecurity saga, you know how every hero has their training grounds and tactics. Well, Azure provides a virtual sandbox where I, as a senior cloud architect, put things to the test. We simulate various threat vectors, ranging from data leaks and DDoS attacks to insider threats and misconfigurations, to understand our system's vulnerabilities. Now, let's turn the magnifying glass to real-world deployment designs. Take, for instance, Azure's security architecture. It's a three-layer approach, defending against threats to the perimeter, protecting cloud resources, and safeguarding data at rest and in transit. We employ various tools and methods to detect and respond to suspicious activities, all the while orchestrating policies to ensure that only authentic users can wade through our digital lakes. Diving into advanced troubleshooting techniques, my team and I are always prepared for the worst. We utilize Azure's suite of diagnostics tools to unravel the knots of complex incidents when something goes awry. With these powerful tools, Azure can help you sift through the evidence to pinpoint the intruder's game plan, ensuring swift and precise countermeasures. Now, let's not forget about the art of continuous improvement. In this ever-changing cyber landscape, strategies that worked yesterday might not work today. Hence, regular security drills, staying abreast of the latest threat intelligence, and staying flexible are key. Most importantly, my role, alongside the rest of the security personnel, is to create an educational environment, enlightening non-technical staff on the importance of security, thereby turning every user into an ally rather than a suspect. Because after all, a strong defense system is only as strong as its weakest link. But why should this matter to you? Because security in Azure empowers businesses to focus on growth without the fear of falling prey to data breaches or loss of customer trust. As a senior cloud architect, my mission is to shield enterprises from cyber harm and ensure that their digital endeavors soar high without unwelcome adversaries lurking in shadows. So, let's not be silent spectators in this battle of bytes. Rather, join the ranks of modern warriors defending the kingdoms of commerce in Azure. And remember, dear friend, if you crave more intel on shoring up your Azure defenses and keeping your organization one step ahead of cyber threats, don't forget to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Remember, in the endless digital war, knowledge is an impregnable fortress. There, that's it, a dive into examining threat vectors and data breaches in Microsoft Azure as seen through my eyes, your knowledgeable voice. Come back often for the latest tales from the front lines of cybersecurity in the cloud.